Workforce training is a thing that sets Oklahoma apart, and it's a thing that sets Lawton apart. Not all states have the ability to compete for adult and high school-based workforce training the way that we do it in Oklahoma. As Lawton Economic Development Corporation works with these businesses to recruit, to retain, we do play a pretty key role in helping them to solve those workforce challenges that can be deal breakers for some of those businesses. We are directly trying to increase enrollments. We've seen a lot of demand both from the employer side and from the student side for skilled trades. We have manufacturing companies that need industrial maintenance technicians. We have a lot of local businesses that need safety training, occupational safety, forklift, CPR. We also have a really growing demand for all of our skilled trades, whether that be heating, whether that be plumbing, all of those kinds of things. We want to be able to serve that, and having the additional capacity with our new facilities is going to allow us to turn that training around so much quicker and really fill those gaps. Another market that really helps is our Fort Sill soldiers. A lot of times as those soldiers transition out of the military, they don't know what that next step is going to be in life. We provide that opportunity to keep their family here in our local community by offering them the training to take the military skills that they've already gained and transition those into the civilian world. That transition not only helps the employers, but it helps our community in many ways, and we're very excited about that as well.